Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we will guide you through the installation and configuration of the door and window sensor. To begin, we add the door and window sensor to the system. We navigate to the menu, select Settings, go to Add Wave I/O, and then choose Find Devices. Next, we put the sensor into pairing mode. For this, we need a SIM pin tool, which is included in the package. We press and hold the reset button for a few seconds until we see a red LED start blinking. Once the LED is flashing, the system detects the contact sensor. We select Add Found Device to register it. At this stage, we can rename the sensor, but in this case, we leave the default name. We then proceed by clicking Save and Continue, followed by Finish. As seen on the interface, the contact sensor is now successfully added to the system. Now, we test the sensor's open and close functionality. We align the sensor and the magnet so that the marked arrow on the sensor meets the corresponding part on the magnet. When we move the two parts apart, the sensor registers as open. When they come back together, it registers as closed. The system accurately detects every status change in real time. And that's it! The door and window sensor is now successfully installed and fully operational. It is seamlessly integrated into the system and can be used to monitor windows, trigger alerts, or activate automation rules. Great job, and thank you for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial.